Hi guys doing, and welcome to another ARC Garage video. If you want to see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit like, share and subscribe. Today I'm going to show you how to install the universal bumper lip on your Alfa Romeo GT. I'm doing this video because a lot of you asked me about it, since I actually bought this car with one of those lips, but because it was in poor shape I've decided to replace it. To do this job, you're gonna need your bumper lip, of course, some alcohol or brake cleaner, a ruler and a whiteboard marker. We are essentially gonna go from this right here to this in only 30 minutes of work. You gotta prep your bumper so the glue adheres better, since there still is some glue residue from the old lip. I'm gonna use brake cleaner, but you can use a 70% alcohol. This next part requires some measuring. I'm gonna use this whiteboard marker. As you can see right here, it wipes off pretty easily. Do not use the permanent marker. I'm gonna measure 7 centimeters from this line right here, and that's gonna be the starting point of our lip. Now I'm gonna go to the other side and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm taking these measurements so everything looks nice and symmetrical, otherwise the new lip might look crooked and it's not gonna look good overall. I'm gonna take a couple more measurements. I'm gonna measure from the edge of the vent. I'm gonna measure 6 centimeters from this line right here on the bumper. I'm gonna take one more line from the middle of the vent and I'm gonna measure 5 centimeters from the same bumper line. I'm moving on to the other side and I'm gonna repeat the same thing. I'm gonna measure 6 centimeters from the same edge on the bumper, and I'm gonna measure 5 centimeters from the same line on the bumper on the middle of the vent. You can take one more measurement in the middle, but I've decided to go by the eye since I'm gonna make a little bulge to complement the grill. Now that I got all of my markings done, all I have to do is remove this tape right here, and I can continue on by gluing this rubber lip on. All you have to do is follow your markings, and that is basically it. I'm gonna cut off the rest of this rubber lip and we are basically done. Alright, here's the final result. As you can see, the front end of this Alfa Romeo GT, at least in my opinion, looks much better. It's a great way to improve on the looks of your car, and a cheap way as well. This rubber lip will only cost you like 10-15 euros. If you want to get the same one that I got, I'll put the link into the description. That would be it for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Alfisti.